This is part 2 to easy Mexican jello for beginners. So you would get 4 cups of milk, but I recommend doing 3.5 to make a firmer jello. You could get any flavored jello you want that goes with milk. This is the vanilla. Once that milk is boiling, you add the jello in there and you mix it up until it's dissolved. Let it cool and follow the instructions. Once it's cool, you can put it in a container that inside the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3, 4 hours, and that's it. You got yourself a simple Mexican jello for beginners. Hold on and open this for me real quick. So here's the milk is boiling. So one of these takes 4 cups, but again, I recommend using about 3.5 to make a firmer jello. If not, it'll be kind of wet. And you could do the same thing with the other flavors. The other flavors, some of them use milk. This is how I started to learn how to make Mexican jellos. And then the other way, see, you mix it up. The other way, they have a milk jello, which is evaporated milk, sweetened condensed, and unflavored gelatin. So each of these, you would mix it all together until it melts up, and then you would pour it in a mold too. I'll do a video on that one later. That's more for advanced, but this is for beginners. So you see this, keep stirring it too, or it's gonna stick. So again, you just get your instant Mexican jello, boil the milk like that, and then let it cool. And then you put it in any shaped container that you want until it's firm, and probably about 2 to 3 hours in the refrigerator. And that's it. I'll teach you guys how to decorate it later. The way they decorate it, you would have to put some cool jello in the pan first, let it set a little bit, and put the fruit in the bottom. But again, this is the beginner part, so if you're a beginner, just start by doing this and look up a little bit more videos, and then you'll get more advanced later. That's how I learned, but it makes a very good quick jello for a party.